storytelling emails. Now, we all like stories since our childhood, but here's an amazing fact. Even sales can be increased by storytelling. Storytelling emails get a lot more response from the reader than the ones just jotting down plain facts and offers. Stories are extremely powerful. Our brains seem to be hardwired for this ancient method of sharing information. As a result, including stories in your emails may seem like a no-brainer. You can use the following 3 ways to formulate storytelling emails. 3 ways of storytelling. 1. Tell a personal story, narrating how your experience was with the product and why you tried it. 2. You can use a historical story. Just a little research can give you hundreds of stories that you can link with your product. Historical emails can give your email credibility, and people respond to emails that can relate to something that is easily identifiable. 3. Start your story with a mentor who guided you to try this product and then how it changed your life and resulted in many benefits. These stories are always interesting and will engage your customer to go forth with the email. All these have been successful for email marketing, and you can choose any of these depending on your product or service. 4 ways to implement storytelling in emails using the above techniques. 1. Personal story. Telling a personal story is the easiest way, where you start with a topic explaining the reason behind it, and then gradually explaining the solution and your reason for sharing it. Few questions can help you decide the type of story you want to start with, such as under what circumstances you came across the problem, how did you react to it, actions taken by you, and how did you decide to handle it, why you think it is important to share it, and so on. 2. Expert story. And we always trust doctors, right? When it comes to finding a solution, we always tend to trust people we identify as the experts because we believe that their opinion is based on true experience. Readers connect emotionally with the stories of experts and get inspiration from them. A few questions, such as who have inspired you the most, who is worth following, what have you learned from them, and how have they created an impact in your life, all can help you to create a story. 3. Future predictions. Stories that predict future are always fun to tell, and you do not need to have psychic powers to do so. You can predict the major upcoming hit of your industry. The upcoming biggest event, its possible outcome, and its results can make your story one not to miss. 4. Lesson from history. History lovers can do this one easily. People tend to trust entities, could be a product or a service, that have established themselves massively. A historical event that created inspiration, a tragic or memorable event that created impact in your life can help you cultivate this story. Overall, mix your email marketing efforts and allow your strategy to include all variations of the above techniques to give you diversity and maximum click-through rate.